Hey, Jonathan from Buffalo Modular, and we are here at the factory again. Behind me is actually the barn-dominium that you saw the walkthrough video of previously, wrapped up and ready to be sent out to the location. But today we're actually going to be walking through a two-story home with the owners here at the factory. So this home sits about 3,000 square feet. It's a big house. And they're through rough framing and electrical in the second floor, and the first floor is being worked on. They're mudding the walls right now on the first floor. So this home will be coming out later on here in the next few weeks, and so they're just wrapping things up, and thought we'd walk through together and see what's going on here. Okay, so they got to step up here, so we'll go in right here. This is enormous. Look at this. This is opening, right? Were you expecting it to feel this big? Like, this is kind of huge, right?
The back window.
Yes, yeah. There's our front door, right? And then this is mudroom space over here.
This is the living room.
Living room space. Dining. I mean, these openings are enormous.
Pantry.
This is the pantry. Okay, so what's here? Do you remember?
Laundry room.
Because I have to look at the plans to remember.
This is the
And
laundry room.
yeah, okay.
And then that'll go
Wonderful.
to the mudroom.
To the mudroom space, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's our catwalk space on the second floor here? Do you remember?
Right here.
Right here. Okay. So then this is open here, and it's open over here as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then this doesn't stay, okay? Right?
Just for the trip.
Because this was open, right? We had this all wide open up here, right? So this is just for the trip, right? So here's where the two sections come together, right here. Okay. So this is dining room, we said, right?
So
Dining room?
These openings are the actual size of the windows?
Yeah, I mean, this is how the window is framed out on the inside, right? Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Remind me what's over here.
The master bedroom.
Oh boy, here we go. This is great. So you can see here, right? They leave, so usually as often as they can, yeah. So they left it off basically to the edge of a full sheet of drywall, because if you know anything about drywall work, it's easier to butt up to, you know, full pieces than it is to, you know, try to patch together. So this is a full piece edge right here, and then that's a cut there. So just trying to make it as easy as possible for the, you know, whoever's doing the drywall work on site.
Toilet, right?
Oh, wow.
Yep. And then you got pocket door here, which comes into this wall here, right? These windows are fantastic.
Yeah.
So here's the vanity. There you go. There's where your
Okay.
lights will go.
All right.
Right?
Yep. Yep. I was thinking about that. I forgot how many were in each. And then there's your shower.
Shower. Yep. So we'll come through and put a clean coat of paint on all of this. They've already got the drywall wrap on the windows and stuff, so they just got to put the window in. So windows are usually the last thing to get put in, which works out nice because it's usually the longest lead time on shipping of all the materials. So your doorway comes in a little bit, so it actually works really nicely for it to be, you know, it kind of tucked in here. And actually, I mean, I don't know what you're gonna do, but you could kind of make this whole feature point in the bedroom, and it would feel awesome, you know?
Yeah. You could fit a big TV.
I mean,
You could go 7-inch.
I mean, I would think you'd probably even just go with a full-on projector at that point in time, but I mean, think about, you could get the biggest TV that they make, I think, and fit it on that wall, I think.
It's probably 70 inch.
Right? This is the mudroom space, right? So then this must be the door to the garage then. That's the door in from there, right?
Oh, then you got your
It's a lot of mud. A lot of mud.
Put a lot of mud in that bed too.
There's the pocket door.
This is a pocket door?
Yep, right here.
Oh.
Oop.
Oh, to get into the mudroom?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, cool. I didn't even realize that. I didn't even know we had a door.
Well, I think that's why we did a pocket door,
I
because
think we did that too, so that if it's like messy, you
Yeah.
know, the mudroom, you can just kind of close it off.
exactly. Yep, exactly.
Cool.
Should we go upstairs?
Yeah.
See how this is all different here? So here's our catwalk here. So it looks like right here, you see the cut line?
That's gonna come out.
Yes, right.
This is really
I agree. Yeah, so all this will all be wide open. So you won't be able to stand there. This is your one opportunity to stand there. Mm-hmm.
And then this is the living room, is it? You walk the living room, you put your towels and stuff. And then you walk in here, and this will be your shower and toilet, and you'll have a separate door. So that if you want to just come and use the sink or like Hampton, there, you can do that.
Mm-hmm.
Your closet.
Big window.
This is a big room.
Mm-hmm.
So this is going to be all open.
This is all wide open. Yeah, you can see right here, right? So see the difference in the materials here,
Yeah.
right? And then over here you can see the cut line. See that? So that'll all come out as well,
Okay.
right?
So
So
it's
you
like from
are
here.
walking on the catwalk right now,
Oh,
right?
and then- oh, wow. That's going to look awesome.
It's gonna look really great. And there's your big window on the back.
You're going to, oh gosh, wow.
Mm-hmm. It's
Oh.
fantastic, isn't it?
Wait, that's going to be in our living room. I'm thinking, like, why do we have a big window upstairs?
Oh, that comes out, yeah.
That is crazy.
So this was just a landing spot here, right?
Yeah, this is just like a loft area.
Yep.
Just to put like an extra.
This is where my office is gonna be.
Yeah.
Yep, okay,
yep.
cool.
We put that big, we put it in wing.
And that's where the two sections right there where you just walk through. This is where the two sections come together right here.
Oh.
Okay.
Yep. Wait, so when this is delivered, this is going to be in 2 pieces?
Mm-hmm. Yep, exactly.
And this is your bathroom.
That's awesome.
It's never going to come down.
So you can see the roof on top. So you see it's already in place over here. So this is the roof pitch, right? And then you can see it's hinged here. So then that whole top part gets pushed up, and then this other hinge here is what's called the knee wall. So it'll sit straight up and down once they pick the roof up.
They don't recommend siding it, right, before they...
You can side, well, it depends on what siding material you do. You could do a horizontal siding on the first floor.
Okay.
So like if you did like a ranch, you can get like 70% of the house sided in advance because they can't do the long sides because that's where it comes together, right?
Right.
And obviously you wouldn't see a seam there, so
Right.
they wouldn't do that.
For this particular house, they could only do our first floor.
Yes, if it's...
we went horizontal.
Right, if it's horizontal, yeah, exactly.
If it's vertical, they can't.
Right, because they actually leave the bottom row and the top row off.
Yeah.
Because when they pick it up, it's actually, it's being picked up with these big cables, right?
Yeah.
And so they would pinch and break, the siding would break, to
Yeah.
do that. So they leave it off on the top and the bottom. So if you do a vertical, you can't really do that.
Right.
So, all right, Pete, what's the coolest part about seeing this?
I love the windows.
That's awesome, right? The windows over here in the living room.
And on top here.
It's fantastic.
And that open space is so cool. So you can get an idea of where that...
See where all the cats are going to go through.
Yeah, the
I mean, you guys are getting
catwalk.
extra cats, right, for this house?
Probably 20 plus. We
Yeah,
have
yeah.
like 8.
Yeah. All right.
Now,
Good.
but when we have more property, we'll be able to get more. It'll be great.
Perfect. Hey, so that wraps up our factory tour today. We got to be able to walk through the factory with the owners and for them to be able to see their house as it's being built here in the factory through drywall, rough electric, and framing stage of the home. So windows will be going in soon. Kitchen will be going in soon. I can't wait to show you guys this house the day that it's going to be set and we get to see everything coming together on set day down in Hudson Valley. So thanks so much for watching. Leave any comments and questions below. And as always, reach out about your building project.